Welcome back to Product Critique, where we bring you the latest insights on top-notch products in the market. Today, we're diving into the world of car care with a spotlight on the best Meguiars One Step Compound available. This product is a game-changer for marine and RV enthusiasts, designed to tackle heavy oxidation, scratches, and stains while leaving behind a glossy finish. Let's delve into what makes this compound a must-have for your vehicle restoration arsenal. Hey there, car care enthusiasts! Today, we're taking a deep dive into the Meguiars M6732 Marine RV One Step Compound. If you're passionate about keeping your marine or RV surfaces in pristine condition, this is the product you've been waiting for. With its unique formula, it not only cleans but also restores the luster of fiberglass and gel coat surfaces in just one step. Let's talk about performance. This compound is a heavy hitter, capable of removing tough stains, water spots, and even deep scratches. Whether your vehicle has been neglected for months or just needs a touch-up, Meguiars One Step Compound gets the job done efficiently and effectively. Now, what sets this product apart is its versatility. You can achieve stunning results whether you prefer hand application or machine polishing. It's all about convenience and delivering that showroom shine without the hassle. Let's not forget about the finish. Meguiars doesn't just clean and restore. It leaves behind a rich, glossy finish that'll make your marine or RV surfaces look brand new. Say goodbye to dull, lackluster appearances and hello to head-turning shine. Whether you're a seasoned detailer or a DIY enthusiast, this compound is a game-changer. It's easy to use, delivers outstanding results, and brings back the beauty of your vehicle with minimal effort. Plus, with multiple size options available, you can choose the perfect fit for your needs. So, if you're ready to elevate your marine or RV detailing game, look no further than Meguiars M6732 Marine RV One Step Compound. Trust me, once you experience the transformation it brings to your surfaces, you'll wonder how you ever lived without it. And that wraps up today's spotlight on the best Meguiars One Step Compound. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more product reviews and recommendations. Until next time, happy detailing!